Guys, listen, I found this amazing product, the Skin Desk Fan. So listen, if you guys are looking for a fan to put on your desk, let's say you work from home, you get a lot, I mean we all do, right? Or maybe you have a little table on the side of your bed and you get a little warm at night and you want to put the ceiling fan on, the air conditioning. This is the best thing ever. Now I'm going to keep this video short. I highly recommend this product. I usually don't make these videos unless I'm really impressed with something. And this fan has a LED display. It's totally amazing. Highly recommended. And believe me, very few products actually motivate me to actually buy. And it's a no-brainer. I mean, come on. Really. It has 6 speeds. You're not going to believe this thing. Look at this. Look how powerful this thing is. Turn it on. Okay. So right now it's set at lowest speed. You can barely hear it. Now I'm going to turn this thing up all the way to the highest it goes, and you'll get an idea of what this thing sounds like. But it's the quietest thing. It keeps you so cool, especially if you put it by your bedside. You know, on a hot day, or let's say even during the winter if the heat's up a little too high, but you don't want to open up a window or shut the heat off. You just want that cold breeze. Just get this thing, and it's just incredible. You need one of these. You need one. Buy it now. Now let me show you something. Listen. First speed. Whoops, went the wrong way. Shut it off. First speed. Speed 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we're at 100%. And actually, when you go down, I'm going to go reverse and take a look at the display. 100, 80, 60, 40, 20, and then it goes down to 1. Now watch this. I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing this, but that's just the first speed. Now, check this out. We're going to go all the way up to second speed. Let's do one more. Third speed. Fourth speed. Fifth speed. Let's do it. Let's go up to 100. So we're at the top speed now. Still quiet. Let me show you. You can actually use this thing for an exhaust in your room or something. So I'm just going to blow some test smoke through the back of it. That's the back. That's the front. I mean, that's crazy. And this is all working off the rechargeable battery. This is incredible. You can put this thing anywhere. Extremely portable. Highly recommended. And I'm telling you right now, just stop looking. If you're looking for a portable fan, this is the one you want. Lightweight, battery operated. You can take this thing out in the backyard, in the bathroom if you wanted. You can use it to clear out, I don't know, say you're a smoker and you just wanted the fumes out of your house. You can use it for that. I mean, it's just, there's so many uses for this thing. It's incredible. Don't pass up this deal. You can stop looking.
It's so much more than just a fan. That's right. This little guy is my new favorite desk addition. It's a nice little portable desk fan. It's got a little charge on the back, USB-C. We can see it's got 71%. I've been using it for 4 hours now so far. 4 hours, and we're at 71%. So that gives you an idea of the battery life on it. It's not a very loud fan. Get your fans, all right? Your only fan.
So this is the little fan. It's actually quite surprisingly great. So that's the on-off button in the back, and then this one will increase the speed 20% at a time, or you can hold it down and you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers moving up, or you can hold it down as well. It blows quite a bit. Yeah, it's got a good amount of air. The only thing I don't see is there's no LED ring, which kind of looked like it was there in the video, but overall this is a great little thing. I'm gonna use it when I go out camping and stuff.
%37 battery. It's lowest setting. Six fan speeds, as you can see.
It's completely portable. It's awesome. I love it.